Welcome back to Ebonyi People TV, where we talk about everything that matters to us in the Southeast, from real stories to solid development across Igboland. And today we just have to give a massive shout out to the Enugu state government. Governor Mbah is not here to play. The man is literally putting Enugu state on the map with one of the most ambitious projects we've seen in a very long time. A 135.5 kilometer standard gauge railway line that connects cities across the southeast all the way to the Onne seaport in Rivers State. Now let's break this down. This isn't your regular announced and abandoned project. No, this one is state-owned and fully backed by feasibility studies and international partnerships. From what we are seeing, this railway project is a game changer, not just for Enugu State, but for the whole of Igboland. Imagine this, a smooth railway line starting from Enugu State, moving through Ugwoba, reaching Awka and Onitsha in Anambra State, stretching into parts of Ebonyi State, through the Amechi-Dodo axis, touching Abia State and crossing into Imo State via Idiato West, before finally linking to the Onne seaport in Rivers State. Now, this is next level if you ask me. And guess what? It's not just about passengers. This railway line will carry cargo too, meaning all our foodstuffs, farm produce, coal, and even minerals can now move faster, cheaper, and safer to where the money is. One major issue we have always faced in the southeast is transportation. Bad roads, high logistic costs, and no direct link to seaport. But Enugu State said enough is enough. They are fixing that with this powerful railway initiative. Think about it. Our farmers and miners who now have a direct route to export markets. No more stress, no more wasting time or money. We are talking about fewer road accidents, less spoilage, and more profit for our people. Plus, this move will ease the pressure on the ever-congested Lagos port. That means even states like Delta State and Abia might soon prefer to route goods through Enugu. Our region is becoming a logistic powerhouse, and Enugu State isn't doing this alone. They are partnering with global railway experts, especially top Chinese companies, and also exploring public-private partnerships to fund the project. In other words, the state is being smart about money and accountability. It's not just about building, it's about building right and for the future. But it doesn't end there. The Enugu state government is also working on a massive new railway station at the Oligos Transport Terminal right in Enugu City. This station will handle both passengers and cargo. Picture it like a mini economic city where businesses will thrive and trade will boom. And to top it all off, they are planning to launch an inland container port. You heard that right, a dry port in Enugu that will serve not just the southeast, but also the northeast. They are bringing the ports to the people instead of dragging goods to the coast. That's brilliant thinking. Now, let's clear the air on one thing. The federal government is also building a railway line from Aba to Enugu. But this Enugu project, it's totally different and completely state-led, and that's what makes it special. Enugu is not waiting for Abuja. They are taking initiative and creating their own path forward. This is the kind of leadership we need in Igboland, one that's bold, proactive, and focused on results. Whether you're from Ebonyi, Abia, Imo, or Anambra, this is a win for all of us. Let's be honest, this railway project is not just about trains, it's about creating jobs, boosting agriculture, supporting local businesses, making trade very easy, bringing the port closer, and making life better for the common man. So, if you're proud of what Enugu State is doing right now, drop a heart in the comment. If you believe that this is what every state in the southeast should be doing, tell us below. And to the governor of Enugu State, Mbah, we see you and we salute you, sir. Keep pushing forward. Igboland is watching and we are proud. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ebonyi People TV for more updates on projects that are changing our lives. And let's continue to celebrate good governance wherever we see it. See you in our next video.